Hari Om, Vanakkam, Namaste. Welcome to D2D Yoga. Is yoga for everyone? Should everyone be doing yoga? I often get asked, Pooja, I don't think I'm very flexible. Or, I think I'm a little overweight. You think I can still do yoga? Or, I don't really have an hour a day. Is it even worth it? My answer is always the same. As long as you have a body and you are breathing, you are already qualified. Yoga is meant for you. Somewhere down the line, we have turned yoga into this competition, into a performance, a pretzel contest for the world, for the social media. But that isn't yoga. Yoga is not gymnastics or sport. As you start your day-to-day practice, you will understand and realize that there is no such thing such as perfect time or perfect circumstances. You don't have to wait for a problem to start yoga. You don't have to wait to fit into those trendy yoga pants to start yoga. You don't have to wait to enroll in some expensive studio in your neighborhood, which has some new techniques that helps you get in and out of those challenging asanas. While the world is busy selling you the image of yoga, your life is demanding the substance of it. You don't have to be flexible to start yoga. You just need to be willing. In the traditional path of yoga, yoga starts before you step on your mat. Comes the yama niyama, the ethical foundational guidelines to lead a balanced life. We also have the traditional 4 paths of yoga: bhakti yoga, karma yoga. In fact, if you look at it, almost everyone in India has been practicing and continues to practice some form or the other of yoga. While other activities and exercises such as gym or even sports will give you balance, resilience, confidence, strength, yoga will give you all of this. But what is important is yoga starts with self-acceptance and guides you towards self-awareness. Yoga was and is a survival mechanism. It is how you breathe through a challenge. For example, it is how you breathe through a stressful email when no one is watching. Of course, what you do on the mat is important. The asanam, pranayam, kriyas are all important. But true yoga is refining the art of being exactly where you are right now. So stop waiting for flexibility to find your peace. You are already divine. You just have to reclaim it. And yoga is your day-to-day reminder. In comments, do let me know if you've ever had such inhibitions before starting yoga, or if you still think you can't practice yoga and why. Let us discuss. This is D2D Yoga because you deserve your divinity. Thank you.